Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by installing a reputable live voice changer app from the Play Store. Confirm your device runs Android 8 or later before continuing. Open the app and grant microphone permission when prompted to enable live processing. If you use headphones, confirm Bluetooth pairing or a 3.5 jack connection for best audio. Allow background audio access so the app can run during calls or games. Set the internal sample rate to 48,000 Hz when the option appears for lower artifacts. Choose a voice preset that matches the effect you want before testing. Adjust pitch using semitones or percentage controls for natural results. Toggle formant shifting to preserve gender characteristics without sounding synthetic. Open latency settings and choose under 40 milliseconds for real-time conversations. Enable the noise gate to remove background hum and set threshold conservatively. Leave the sample rate at 48,000 Hz and avoid resampling to reduce audio art. Launch your communication app and then activate the voice changer in the background for live effect routing. Note that some native dialers restrict third-party audio injection during ordinary cellular calls. Use VoIP apps like Discord or Google Meet for the most reliable live voice injection. Save your customized preset and assign a home screen widget or hotkey for instant switching. Test voice quality with a friend and adjust latency or gain before any important stream or call.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.